Everywhere you look in Africa, whether it's a wedding, a street food vendor, a school classroom, a church service, or a local home, one thing remains constant. Plastic products are everywhere. Chairs, tables, plates, cups, buckets, made from plastic and used every single day by millions of people. But here's the truth. Most of these plastic products are imported, or they're made by just a few manufacturers who can't even meet the rising demand. Now imagine this, you owning a factory right here in Africa, producing high-quality plastic chairs, tables, cups, and containers, selling directly to markets, restaurants, hotels, event planners, and even other countries. This is not a dream. It's a huge business opportunity that is still wide open across Africa. The population is growing, events are happening daily, new homes are being built, and they all need plastic furniture and products. I will take you step by step through how to start and grow a successful plastic products manufacturing business in Africa. Why this business is one of the most profitable right now, the exact machines and molds you'll need to get started, the raw materials and how to get them locally or abroad, a winning business strategy to dominate your local market, how to price market and sell your products fast, and how to scale your factory into $1 million brand. Whether you're looking to start small or you want to build a full-scale plastic factory, this video is for you. It's time to stop importing and start manufacturing right here in Africa. Let's dive in and build the future of African industry. Together, Africa is booming. Cities are expanding, populations are growing, and demand for basic household and commercial products is rising like never before. In this transformation, one business stands out as both essential and profitable: the plastic products manufacturing business. Chairs, tables, plates, cups, buckets, bins, containers, all made from plastic, are used daily by homes, restaurants, churches, schools, hotels, outdoor event centers, roadside vendors. The beauty? Plastic products are cheap to produce, durable, and in constant demand. Whether it's a rural village or a capital city, plastic chairs and tables are everywhere. Why is this a big business opportunity in Africa? Africa's middle class is growing. More weddings, parties, conferences, and family events are happening daily. All of them need plastic chairs and tables, disposable plastic cups, spoons and plates, storage bins and kitchen containers. Market gaps you can fill. Imported plastic goods are expensive. Local supply can't meet rising demand. Many areas still depend on second-hand plastics from Asia or Europe. Example: in Nigeria alone, over 10 million plastic chairs are sold yearly. In East Africa, schools and churches are buying plastic desks and chairs in bulk. Plastic packaging and takeaway plates are used daily by food vendors. If you can set up a local plastic factory and sell at competitive prices, you will dominate your region. Here's what you can produce. 1. Household products: plastic chairs, normal, stackable; plastic tables, basins, buckets, storage containers, plastic stools. 2. Kitchen products: plates, cups, bowls, cutlery, forks, spoons, knives. 3. Packaging and industrial use: jerry cans, water bottles, plastic crates, food containers. Tip: start with 2 or 3 items like chairs and tables, then expand based on market response. Factory setup space: minimum space, 300 to 500 square meters. Location: near city outskirts, for cheap rent, plus access to market. Needs: good electricity, water, storage. Essential machines needed: 1. Plastic injection molding machine. 4. Chairs, tables, cups, spoons, buckets, semi-automatic or fully automatic tonnage, 100 to 600 tons depending on mold size. 2. Blow molding machine for bottles, jerry cans, containers. 3. Crushing and recycling machine. To reuse plastic waste, saves money, great for sustainability. 4. Molds, very important. You need specific molds for each item: chair mold, table mold, cup mold. Can be bought from China, India, or Turkey. Raw materials: polypropylene, PP, high-density polyethylene, HDPE, low-density polyethylene, LDPE, plastic color granules for red, blue, green, etc. You can import virgin plastic or buy local recycled plastic for cheaper. Estimated budget for small-medium plant. Item cost, USD, injection molding machine, $15,000 to $40,000, molds, chair table cups, $8,000 to $15,000, crusher recycler $3,000 to $8,000 raw materials, starter stock, $5,000 to $10,000 factory setup, plus workers, $5,000 to $10,000, total $35,000 to $75,000. You can start small, automate gradually, and grow fast. Step-by-step strategy. 1. Start with high-demand products. Begin with chairs and tables, then add cups and plates. Target religious centers, event centers, hotels, schools. 2. Focus on local distribution. First, build strong distribution to local stores, open markets. Offer discounts for bulk buyers. Use delivery tricycles or small trucks. 3. Build your brand. Use printed labels, colors. Create your own name, logo. Offer customization for weddings, churches, hotels. 4. Use recycling for cost control. Reuse leftover plastic to reduce cost. Partner with plastic waste collectors. 5. Be cheaper, but quality. Compete with imports and beat them in price and delivery time. Offer credit or flexible payment for trusted clients, $1,400 to $1,700. Marketing, distribution, and scaling marketing tactics. Attend church events, weddings, conferences. Offer free samples to big buyers. Use influencers to market home use items. Go digital. Create Instagram and Facebook pages. Show products in use. Tables at a wedding, chairs at a church. Offer WhatsApp ordering. Distribution plan. Sell through local retailers. Supply directly to hotels, schools. Export to neighboring countries if possible. Scaling. Buy more molds. Produce stools, baby chairs, etc. Add blow molding for bottles. Franchise your brand in other cities. Africa is rising, and those who control production will control the future. Don't wait until others bring plastics from overseas. Be the one who manufactures right here in Africa. Whether it's chairs, tables, or cups, this is your chance to build a real factory, create jobs, and make money in an industry that never sleeps. Start small. Start now. Start local. Grow big. Like, comment, subscribe for more factory business ideas tailored to Africa. Africa is rising. Cities are expanding, homes are being built, and everyday life is demanding stronger, affordable, and locally made products. Plastic products like chairs, tables, cups, plates, and containers are no longer luxuries. They are essentials. But instead of importing them, we must manufacture them here. By starting a plastic manufacturing business today, you're not just building wealth for yourself, you're creating jobs. You're reducing import dependency. You're industrializing your country. You are becoming part of Africa's transformation. Remember, every great business starts small. With the right machines, strong molds, reliable raw materials, and a solid strategy, you can dominate your local market and grow into a national or even international brand. This is your moment. Whether you're in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Cameroon, Congo, or anywhere else on this beautiful continent, the opportunity is right in front of you. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Africa is open for manufacturing. Let's stop being only consumers and start becoming producers. Start your plastic manufacturing business. Build Africa, build your legacy. Or